Here we are. Just placed the sidewalk and these patios here in the back. That we formed all the everything up, and here the stairs. Now forms are peeled off. Solid stairs, all smooth. As you can see, we're not fooling around. There, and then we go around the side here, there, and then the front and that side. I'm sick of it. If you're interested to get a job done like this, just give us a call. My number is 604-377-3657, or visit our website for more information at https://standconcrete.solutions.